What's up, guys? Guru here. So I have a 2007 450 EXC motor here torn down. This is the RFS motor. Let me show you the bike it came off of. So that old beast right there. So the only thing that had ever been done on this motor is like the valves checked a couple times. The owner estimates it has 300 or 400 hours on it. So there you can see the piston, the carbon buildup on the piston, starting to get a little wear on the skirt. None of the rings were stuck or anything, but it didn't shut off, but it started smoking really bad. And when I took the head off, you can look at the intake valves and see that they are sank very deep into the head. I could actually adjust the rockers all the way out and couldn't get any free play or any space between the rocker and the valve. So they were way too tight, and just, the head's just worn out. So cylinder doesn't have any scarring or anything, but also doesn't have, can't really see the cross hatching. But here's our dilemma. With all the hours on this motor, it definitely needs a head or the head service done. Right now, that head is on back order with no ETA, so it doesn't show discontinued, but it just shows on back order with no ETA. So we'd have to get this one serviced, which should be doable since there's no damage. But our issue is, by the time we get this head serviced, have valves put in it, we replace, the bearing on the cam here, maybe the cam sprocket, all the other gaskets and bearings, and probably rocker arms, and we get a piston kit, and maybe we have the cylinder replated. By the time we do all that and factor in labor, we are going to be at probably $2,000, which is probably what the bike is worth running, or very close to it. So it's, and that's with that, guys. That's with keeping the old bottom end. So it's like, is it really smart to put $2,000 into a motor and still have a bottom end with 300 or 400 hours on it? So that's the dilemma we're at. Talking about it with the owner of this machine. Just from taking this thing apart, I'm pretty sold on these RFS motors. That's just a lot of hours, and everything was working good except for those two intake valves. Everything looks pretty clean. No crazy scratching starting in the cylinder yet. So I don't know. They're kind of different to work on. I do like a few things about them. I like how you can, there's a bolt right there so you can lock the crank and everything. So while you're working on it, or while you're trying to put it back together, it's locked in top dead center, which is nice. So yeah, I don't know. Keep you guys updated. We'll see what we're going to do with it. But right now it's kind of up in the air. So cool. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.